Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is hole in the pot. Most of the people think about the hole in a pot that this is meaningless, and some people know about that this hole is for the drain purpose. That is correct. You can see the hole in a pot. This has 4 main benefits. This is a horticulture strategy. This is not useless. First benefit is that this is for the drain purpose. If you are giving water to the pot and that is more than the capacity of a soil, so this hole is for the drain purpose. Extra water would be drained out through this hole. Otherwise, it can create foul smelling on the bottom of a pot. Second benefit is that the tap root in the plants, it goes towards gravity. If this hole wouldn't be there, tap root would stop its growth. Ultimately, plant can die. So this hole is for the purpose of continuing growth of taproot. Taproot goes through this hole and plant sustain. Third benefit of this hole is that when taproot grows through this hole and it is 2 inches, 3 inches larger, it attacks on the soil. So this is an indication, this is a symbol. It means plant is telling us now this is the time to change the pot, and we will change the pot with the bigger one. That is a great benefit of this hole. Fourth one, the benefit of this hole is that it creates cooling effect. Suppose it is the summer season and you have put more fertilizer in it and you are giving less water. So there is a heat condition. Upper soil will inhale from the top and lower soil would inhale through this bottom, through this hole. This hole is a great medium for the soil to be cool enough. So these 4 benefits regarding this hole, these are most important. This is not meaningless, this is not valueless, this is meaningful, this is valuable, and this is great strategic plan. This is the real matter of fact of this hole. Next I'll come with the new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.